All right, guys, we are at the Fleck residence. We are going to attempt a repair on this shingle right here just to see if see the viability for the roof. I'm gonna go and uninstall it right now. All right, so we got that shingle uninstalled. As you can see, the above shingle, there is a ton of granule loss just from the uninstallation of that shingle. Secondly, we have a second layer under here that's also just not going to survive repairs. We have a ton of open penetrations. This is acting as the underlayment for the roof. Now, generally repairs would be possible if the first layer was in good condition. But right now we have all of these open penetrations from the staples that we had to pull, and even the old staples still inside. If this is the water barrier for the roof, it's not going to do its job. We do have a little bit of material transfer on the below shingle. We're going to check. So if you look on the above shingle right here, we have a lot of material transfer on the tack strip. We'll see if we can get it to re-secure to the shingle once we get the repair installed. I'll do that now. I just want to note, I just picked up this above shingle just to get one of the nails under, and just from lifting this shingle, it got a small tear. Just want to note that. And notice I'm not going past 45 degrees. We're almost done. I was getting a phone call. All right, so as you can see, the above shingle completely separated from the dragon teeth. So this is the above shingle. That's the one we repaired. And even if this shingle didn't separate from the dragon teeth before that happened, there was a ton of granule loss. I mean, there's just no way that these shingles are gonna survive repairs. I just tore that one just from trying to look underneath it. And it would be impossible for this shingle to adhere to the new one with the extended material transfer on the bottom. There's just no way the repairs are gonna survive on this.